Alright, so keep in mind fireworks are coming from down there.
Get in. I'm gonna try.
If they'll send out anymore.
Oh,
The line one now.
No, that one just okay.
Hit you.
Wait, were you
My ears.
whistle and it... Let me try. Hey, like you can do better.
Just sit it.
Yeah.
What's
It's one
that?
of the things that...
It's one of those that go.
Tommy? Oh.
Look, they go like this. They fly up, and then they like spin like this, like they spin.
Like,
That was cool.
let's just go over here so we can get a better view of the fireworks.
God, I can't hit it cause the trees.
Go down there.
Then chop down the trees.
I can't chop down the trees. Oh boy, I'm not meant to be going down here, am I?
Nope. No, sorry.
Who cares? That's where that last one came from. Move. Thank you.
Wait, what is it?
Don't know.
They're lighting another one.
Where?
They're lighting another one.
Ooh.
Woo!
That one's good.
I don't know how long, how loud these are in recording because I didn't watch the last recording. Didn't watch last year's.
They're
Wait,
lighting another one. They're lighting another one.
I recorded it with you guys around too. We were on by. That was real.
That one.
That was not Doug. Alright. Over here.
Is that
I did not catch that.
That one's off the roof.
I did not catch that at all. Oh, that fell on the. That actually hit the roof.
What
A few ones all the way down there. There's a few. Well, they're lying like a diamond one there. I don't think we should be standing clear sight of this.
It won't be clear sight. It'll just go up and probably go
Jeez.
Jeez. God.
I didn't think that happened.
Okay. I'm now. Yes.
I have no ears now. My ears have literally been chopped off.
Oh, they're doing another one.
Oh, this is fun. Wow. This one's not as cool as the last one, but it hurts more. It's still going.
No, that's the one. That's the ones that go like up.
It's still going. I think that dude figured out not to go yet. Ow, that's loud. I hope this isn't too loud for the recording. Ow! One hit my ankle. One hit my ankle. Ah, my ankle.
Another box. Yeah, this look, they're doing a third
Yeah,
box.
one hit my ankle.
Oh, really?
One of the giant ones.
Yeah.
fell down, slapped my ankle. I'll have too much more time on this recording. Yeah.
Watch it stick in the ground.
Huh?
Oh, I almost stuck in the ground.
It's off.
I feel bad for that car. Just got hit by one.
What is the red stuff? What is it? Oh, I'm not gonna stop the recording. Ow. Oh, another one. Ow. Did you get hit by
Yes.
What's in that? Whoa, 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 shit. Holy. I don't want to be near here. That's going straight on her headshot. That was landing straight on our heads.
Oh, nice. Right above us.
Nice. Alright, we should be good.
Fine.
What the heck? What was happening? I found where one landed. Okay, good to know. Firework gun. Firework gun!
He's just got blown up in the hand.
Rip that dude.